This screencast will show you how you can use Google Classroom and the Kami app to assign both UCI math assignments and also practice book assignments from Think Central. So we'll start off with UCI. Here's the pacing guide. I'm going to click on an assignment, click on the name to open it up. Then I'm going to come here to the three dots and I want to download it. It'll take a second or two to download. Then I'm going to go back to my Google Classroom. I'm going to click on classwork and hit create, Kami assignment. Okay, so there's going to be fractions. Is important. Fractions, lesson 1. Then down here, I'm going to click on the paperclip. And then you'll probably have to go to wherever your downloads go. Click on downloads, click on the assignment, and hit open. Okay, it'll take a second to add that PDF. It automatically defaults to make a copy for each student. That's what you want, so each student is working on their own. And you click assign. It'll take a few moments to assign. If you want to see what it'll look like in Classroom, you could hit open in Classroom. Okay, when they click on the lesson and open with Kami. So they'll see that fraction sheet and they'll have all of their tools here to be able to work on that assignment. Now, there's also a pretty easy way to send assignments from Think Central, since a lot of us are using the videos from Think Central to teach our students. It kind of makes sense to have a worksheet that matches. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is go to Think Central, go to my grade level, and the practice books SE for student edition. I'm going to click on that, open up my lesson, and then I'm going to download that whole chapter. Okay. Now, when I open up that PDF, it has all of the pages on there. Of course, we're not going to assign our students the whole book. So the easiest way I think to do it is I can take a picture of the questions I want the students to do, add it to a Google slide, and then assign it from there. So on a Mac, it's going to be Shift-Command-4 will allow you to take a picture of whatever questions you want. On a PC, it's going to be the Microsoft symbol, Shift and S all at the same time will allow you to take a picture of part of your screen. So I took this picture. So now I'm going to open up a Google slide. I want a blank slide. And then I'm going to get rid of all the words here by going up to layout and choosing blank. So this gives me a blank page. Okay, so on a Mac, I'm going to go insert image, upload from computer. The Mac saves those pictures to the desktop. And I'm going to click there. And now my assignment's done. I'm going to name it fractions 6-1. Okay. If you're on a PC and you use the Shift Microsoft S to take your picture, all you have to do is paste it on the page. So just Control V at the same time will put the picture on your Google Slides page. So now I have my assignment here. So I'm going to go back up to my Google Classroom. Okay, I'm going to hit create, Kami assignment. This one's going to be named fractions 6-1. I don't even know if that was the actual lesson number, but we'll pretend that it is. This time I'm going to click the Google Classroom button because that slide is in my Google Classroom. It is in my Google Drive, excuse me. So it's this one right here. So I'm going to click select. Notice it's make a copy for each student. And I'm going to hit assign. And that's going to assign that lesson for my students. Okay, if we want to see what it looks like, we can open it up in Classroom. We can click on the assignment. Okay, open with Kami.